Hey there, it's Kathy with Be Creative with Kathy, and in this video I'm going to show you what I use to put together October Stamp Club card packets. So we're going to be using the Sweet Candy Canes stamp set. Now it has coordinating dies, but this time you won't even need the dies. I've already cut everything for you. All you'll need is the stamp set. Your packet is got 2 cards that we'll make together, and then 1 card that I make for you that I call my swap. It looks like this, and look how cute the card is this time. Now, it might not look exactly like this. I'm still kind of working on all the details, but look how cute her little leg swings. So thanks to Dawn Griffin sharing that idea, but that'll be your 3rd card. Okay, so let me show you what the cards look like. They look like this. And they look like this. I tried to show you another way to use the stamp set besides candy canes by using the little wreath, or making, the little wreath. Okay, so let me show you what supplies you'll need. Of course, you'll need just some tape runner. I'm going to use Stampin' Seal. I used glue dots, usually to put those little bows onto my cards. And then, of course, I'm going to use dimensionals for my adhesives. Nothing fancy, just your normal adhesive. I do suggest you have a pair of paper snips or something that you can cut those ribbons or the bow tails on. I'm going to have my pickup tool because if you remember a couple months ago I sent you a packet of these gems. We're going to use that on our cards, and it's easy to pick up the gems with your Take a Pick tool. You'll also need a pencil, and then I'm going to have around my adhesive remover and a pencil eraser just to have on hand just in case. Of course, you'll need your bone folder, and then I'm going to use Real Red ink and Garden Green ink. So Real Red and Garden ink are our ink colors, and then of course if you have a bow maker, you might want to have that around to tie your little bows. Okay, let me go back, show you the cards again. Seeing all the supplies that I'm going to use. Get all those out of the way. They look like this. Aren't they cute? Thanks to Dawn Griffin, I also cased her card. This is a Kathy original. And then again, of course, you'll need that stamp set. Alrighty, if you have any questions, be sure and give me a call or a text or whatever. If you're not part of our normal stamp club and you're interested in joining, all you have to do is place a $35 order using the host code in the description, and I'll send you a packet too. And then you can join us. We meet monthly on Zoom, and in October, I grab my calendar here real quick, we're going to meet on the 23rd. So again, if you're interested in joining us for Stamp Club, you can join us on Zoom on the 23rd to make our cards together, or I also make a video that I post that weekend and you can make them at your own convenience. Alrighty, that's all I have for you today. I hope to see you on the 23rd. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.